who understand the magnitude of the risk would say, "Thanks very much, but I'm going to keep eating my meat," said co-author Dr. Gordon Guyot of McMaster University in Hamilton. It's the latest example of how divisive nutrition research has become, with its uncertainties leaving the door open for conflicting advice. Critics say findings often aren't backed by strong evidence. Defenders counter that nutrition studies can rarely be conclusive because of the difficulty of measuring the effects of any single food, but that methods have improved. What we need to do is look at the weight of evidence. That's what courts of law use, said Dr. Walter Willett, a professor of nutrition at Harvard University, who was among those calling for the paper's publication to be postponed. Willett, who has led studies tying meat to bad health outcomes, also said the reviews do not consider the particularly pronounced benefits of switching from red meat to vegetarian options. Guyot still avoids red meat for environmental reasons. The journal Annals of Internal Medicine defended the work and said the request to have it pulled before publication is not how scientific discourse is supposed to happen. Guyot called the attempt to halt publication silly. In the papers, the authors sought to gauge the potential effects of eating less meat, noting the average of 2 to 4 servings a week eaten in North America and Western Europe. They said the evidence for cutting back wasn't compelling. For example, they found that cutting 3 servings of red meat a week would result in 7 fewer cancer deaths per 1,000 people. Based on the analysis, a panel of the international researchers said people do not have to cut back for health reasons, but they note their own advice is weak and that they didn't take into account other factors such as animal welfare and the toll meat production has on the environment.
Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget to add more vegetables and fruits in your diet.
Bitch sandwich, bitch sandwich, bitch, 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 burning kush, big sandwich, bitch, falling out, big sandwich, bitch, counting cash, big sandwich, bitch, cashing out, big sandwich, bitch, Gucci bags, big sandwich, bitch, icy wrist, big sandwich, bitch, pinky rings, big sandwich, bitch, purple drinks, big sandwich, bitch, purple pills, big sandwich, bitch, passing out, big sandwich, bitch, turning up, big sandwich, bitch, walling out, big sandwich, bitch, bitch sandwich, big sandwich, bitch, bitch sandwich, big sandwich, bitch, bitch sandwich, big sandwich, bitch, big 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 sandwich, big sandwich, bitch.
Have you ever met a hating ass bitch? Keep hating on the sideline and got up all the pitch, talking all that shit, sitting on your ass still broke. Let me tell you now, that shit won't get you rich. Any, meeny, miny, mo, cut your hater by the toe. Show him how to stack that dough, stack, stack, stack it up. Yeah, yeah, that's my bread. Yeah, yeah, get you some. Stop catching feelings, get inspired unless you're dumb. Showing off, big sandwich, bitch. Balling out, big sandwich, bitch. Turning up, big sandwich, bitch. Cashing checks, big sandwich, bitch.
Bitch sandwich, big sandwich, bitch, big 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 sandwich,